Hello viewers, welcome to our channel English Tube. In this video, we will learn and write essay on Republic Day in English. For more such videos, consider subscribing to our channel and hit that bell icon so that you never miss an update from our channel. First line is Republic Day is celebrated every year in India on 26th January. Second line is, this day marks the adoption of the Indian Constitution. Third line is, the entire country has it as a national holiday. Fourth line is, the main celebration takes place at Rajpath in New Delhi. Fifth line is, the President of India hoists the national flag during the event. Sixth line is, here a grand parade showcases India's culture, diversity and military strength. Seventh line is, a number of schools and offices arrange for the flag hoisting ceremonies. Eighth line is patriotic songs are sung and speeches are given to honor the day. Ninth line is, this day reminds us of the sacrifices by freedom fighters. Last line, that is line number 10 is, this day inspires each citizen to have justice, liberty and equality.